Hey, good morning. Troy Brown, team leader for the Bald Guyan team. Want to welcome you to my Friday Home of the Week tour as we go take a look at this gorgeous double-wide Cavco up here tucked away in the pine trees and oaks here in Pinetop, Arizona. So come on with me, let's go take a look. All right, let's take a look at this on the inside. Now, you see the landscaping here. It needs some attention, but I'm going to explain why that's the case. Okay, we've got a 2013 Cavco home here, a little under 1,200 square feet. You can hear the smoke detectors going off also. The unfortunate fact of this property is that it has never been lived in, okay? So let's start with the master. You've got the kitchen over here, electric range, side-by-side refrigerator, stainless steel sink, very cool. Love the drywall, we'll call it drywall art. But anyway, there's your little dining area. Look at the view out that back window. It's a very nice utility room in there for your washer dryer hookup, and there's a door that goes out the back there. So here's your master. Good sized master bedroom, vaulted ceilings, your walk-in closet, and your master bath. So you've got a single vanity, vinyl flooring, and a walk-in shower. And with a split bedroom floor plan, the other two bedrooms are across the way here. You've got two bedrooms right there. You've got more storage here in the hallway with shelving and whatnot for linens and whatever you choose to put in there. But vaulted here, and closet, more storage, and your guest bathroom, tub shower unit, single vanity, toilet, vinyl flooring. They did a lot of upgrades on this home. It's got a 40-pound load roof. It's R42 in the ceiling. It's R19 in the exterior walls, and I believe it's R22 in the flooring. So anyway, now with this property comes the neighboring lot at for a total of 0.63 acres. So anyway, if you know anybody looking for a gorgeous home here in Pinetop, Arizona, reach out to me, tag someone in this post, call me, text me, email me, message me on Facebook, and we'd love to help you make this your home. This home is presently priced at $188,000. That includes the 0.63 acres. It's on city sewer, Pinetop Water Company, Navapache Electric. This is a great buy, folks, up in Pinetop, Arizona, just tucked away back here in the trees behind Charlie Clark's Steakhouse. So anyway, tag someone in this post and look forward to helping them make this their new home.